Hello everyone, it's Lucyfer again. Today I will show you new event which came. It's vending machine where you can get little sea dragon and many other things to upgrade your pets. This pet is very good, especially for PvP, and I'm gonna explain why soon. Now we're gonna see my pets. I already have this one, but on basic form. I didn't evolve it yet. Today it will be evolved. No, here you can see the skill of this pet. It deals 11% damage to players with higher health than yours. It's very good, and also its own damage for 100%. Yes, all transformations have that on basic form. But today it will be level 4, so 544% and 18% of damage to players with higher health than yours. So let's try this event. It will be little spending there because I have to do it by my diamonds, because I don't have these tickets. I didn't get them. So I have to draw. I will draw one by one because I can stop anytime I want, and if you click draw all, it only stops when you see this right on bottom, this key, and that's all, and you spent very much diamonds for it. When you draw this key, you can go to the next phase, to the grade 2, and there is a pet. And if you draw one by one, you can stop anytime. If you don't want to draw more, you can stop and keep your diamonds. If you draw all, you cannot stop it whenever you want. So it is a difference. There is also a red pet egg. It is very good because you can choose whatever pet you want, from earth pets, fire pets, and wind pets. So it doesn't matter what you... It depends what you want. So let's keep going. Diamonds will be gone soon. Keep going. Oh, I got it. Red pet. Now only the key. Yes. We can go to next phase. And here is a pet. I took equipment to forge it for my pets because I need to upgrade it anyway. I will do that later. Equipment is very, very important because it increases the power, your power, and also pets deal more damage, and it is very good. Now I am doing instance for battle pattern because my battle pattern is very shitty. Let's draw more. Yeah, here in this event is very, very much useful things, especially for pets. You have summon tickets, also items for taming, for special summon tickets, which you can use to summon, for example, pet from fire. You need pet from fire, yes? So you just change it to what pet you want to summon and use these tickets, special tickets, these red ones. And items to reforge necklaces for pets and many other things. Let's see how many more times I have to draw to get this pet. Come on, give it to me. Come on. I need a little bit more. Little bit more. Come on, I want this pet. At next event, when it will be with Little Sea Dragon, I will have Evolve at a level 3, so it will be end of Evolve. Oh, I got it, finally. And after that, you can awake the pet. Awaken, I can do awaken on 2 my pets, on Werewolf and Firefox. Yes, here it is. That's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.